Papatay kang ipis.
Ah!
Yeah, look at that.
Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Olive's Kitchen Adventures. Just like any other episode, we have our guest cook. And for today, my friend Wowo is going to join us again for the second time around. Hi Wowo! Welcome back!
Hi Olive. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Thank you for having me here again.
Yes, it's the second time around here in Olive's Kitchen Adventures. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. So, Wowo, for today, ano ang recipe na...
Okay. For today, I'm very excited, no? Kasi this salmon fillet is one of Aquamaria's bestseller talaga.
Yes.
Look, ganda-ganda. This recipe actually, in my household, the whole family loves it. My kids, my teenagers, even my nephews and nieces, talagang ano siya, will be liked by even mga 3, 4, 5-year-old kids. So, that's why I'm very excited. So,
Ako din excited.
yeah, excited ako kasi I will be doing pan-seared salmon in creamy yogurt sauce. Sige, start na tayo.
Yes, let's start.
Okay.
So, what are the ingredients for your recipe?
Okay, first off, we need basic. Ground pepper, around 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter, ginger, garlic, sugar, dried basil leaves, salt, plain yogurt, sesame oil, olive oil, soy sauce, 1 big onion, 1 green and 1 red bell peppers, a lemon, and broccoli. And syempre, this very deliciously looking salmon fillet, 1.5 kilo ba to?
Yes, this is 1.5
Kilo by Aquamaria. This is what I do. Since fillet siya, I usually remove the belly. Medyo bigyan mo siya ng a little force para isipin mo na lang medyo galit ka sa taong yan. Yan. Diba? Very nice. Look at this Aquamaria fillet. Look, not all salmon fillet are like this thick. Usually, siguro a half-inch smaller. First, syempre, we season everything. Okay? Syempre, typical, our basic seasoning ingredient would be salt. Okay lang, just sprinkle salt. You'll feel the baka maalat. No, it's not. Promise, sa lahat ng mga pinag-promisean ko. Totoo yan. Anyways, so probably we'll use this. Okay.
pepper. We'll generously put pepper.
After we season this, let's do the preheating of our pan. Again, we'll be using timer for this. For me, I like that 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Or you can do 3 minutes and 2 minutes. Depends on how cooked you want your salmon.
What do you mean? 3 minutes?
Yeah,
one
3
side
minutes,
and
one
then...
side and then the other side. First, you put it skin side first. See that? You can hear the sizzling of the skin. I think since maliit ang pan, we can do like this lang. We'll slice some ginger. Sabi nila, when you put ginger on when you're frying fish, it lessens the fishy smell. You put ginger, it doesn't just remove the fishy smell, but it adds flavor. Yeah, mostly mga Asian cuisine talaga maluya yan eh. Maluya, magarlic, ganyan. Diba? Anyway, narinig nyo, nag-time na siya. From here, we flip it over, naluluto na siya. And then when you fry the other side, the white thing here, the cooked part of the salmon, lalaki yan. And then, kahit if you put it on to rest, automatically magluto pa yan siya. it. It's crispy already. So while waiting,
Okay.
we prepare our other ingredients. So we have here our broccoli. So we use the florets lang mismo. Patanggalin nyo lang siya. Anyways, this one, we will blanch this. Blanch natin to sa boiling water for approximately 1.5 to 2 minutes. So, viewers, look at this. Look at that color. As I've said earlier, the first one that we fried was the skin side. And then, the second one, itong sa meaty side niya. Look. Yan. I'm pretty sure that the one inside, that the middle part is very moist. So, masarap talaga yan. The next step would be to chop our ingredients.
So, the peppers?
We can start with the pepper. We'll cut this julienne. Then after that, we slice this giant onions. Cut your onions. Okay, after that, we mince our garlic. So we put this here, and then we get another ginger. We chop it. Anyway, so we wait for this. While waiting for this, we're now going to blanch. We're going to blanch this broccoli. Since this is induction, we'll put it little by little. So it's almost time, 10 seconds. So
Here,
tanggalin natin.
this.
Look at this pretty broccolis. Look at the color. Ganda, oh. Now, okay, we'll be preparing the vegetables.
Okay.
First, Olive, please kindly put oil.
Yes, olive oil.
When cooking vegetables, my style is I always use high heat. High heat siya, pero quick. Diba? Quick siya. We put in our onions. Yung onions. We put in onions until the color becomes translucent. And this time, siguro, we put a little butter. Just a little. Ground black pepper. Salt.
Salt.
This one, we're putting, since Asian again, we use soy sauce. And then after the soy sauce, we put in our sugar. Our sugar, use brown sugar for cooking. Or you can also use rock sugar if you want to caramelize. Okay, now we can put on our in our bell peppers.
We use the red and the green bell peppers.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng color niya.
Oo.
The aroma is very nice at very masarap siya when it's already done stir frying.
Yeah. So we add
Sesame oil.
you add sesame oil. Sabi nga ng yaya ko, kisame oil. Okay.
Ayan. To taste.
Yeah. Ganda ng color niya, di ba? Very fresh. Gulay pa lang, ulam na eh. Okay.
We're using the same pan?
We can use same pan also. And this time, we put another oil.
Olive oil.
Dagdag natin olive oil, ha. Put your garlic. A bit pepper.
Pepper, yes. That's right. Pepper.
Put butter.
Okay.
We lower the heat to medium.
Medium heat.
Medium heat. And then we add in a little yogurt. After the yogurt, we can now add our chicken stock. Chicken stock, as I've said, depends on how much creamy sauce you like. So from there, if find the consistency that you like. And now we put on the rest of the butter. Put a teaspoon of sugar, a little.
Okay.
Just to complement the sourness of our yogurt. Now we add on our basil. Some of you who doesn't like basil, konti-konti lang muna. Yogurt kasi is an acquired taste, parang wine, di ba? So some people like bitter, I like sour. So depende na yan. I guess this is okay. So we're done with our
sauce.
our cream yogurt sauce. So we'll do the
We're going to
plating. We have our vegetables here that we sauteed a while ago. We'll use the vegetable as ang parang pillow ng ating salmon. Okay.
Wow. And then for our florets,
We add in our broccoli. Get the big one. There you go, our pan-seared salmon in creamy yogurt sauce. Asian version.
So ito na.
Ito na, Olive. So try natin.
Yes,
I hope pumasa sa palate mo tong ginawa natin.
of course.
Good. Yung broccoli, no? Tama yung ating time na binigay, around 2 minutes. Very crunchy.
Yeah.
Diba? And this salmon, look guys. Sarap, very pink. Which kailangan ganun ng salmon.
That's true. Well, thank you so much for this. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Olive's Kitchen Adventures, and please follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Olive's Kitchen Adventures. Well, thank you so much, and for
Thank you,
all
Olive. Thank
the
you.
seafood needs, please visit www.aquamaria.store and your Wowo's Kitchen.
Oh, what was it? By the way, guys, I run an online food delivery. Follow me, Wowo's Kitchen. We have a Facebook page and IG. So, hope to see you all soon.
Bye, everyone. Thank you so
Bye.
much.